I have a very important question to ask. If everyone is creating it, is there anyone out there who is actually recreating the looks? Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. Welcome on board. How is everyone doing? So the poll that we did last weekend, I chose the yellow for the last video because I actually wanted to play with yellow. Come on, yellow is a beautiful color. But in today's video, I am going to create an eye makeup look using brown. And probably all brown. I have inspiration videos. I have inspiration pictures that I will show you in just a bit. I want this look to be really nice. I have my fingers crossed and I hope it turns out really good. So now let's start the video. Before I start with the eye look, let me just do my eyes, and I'm doing my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. It was good. It is good. It is still good. And I actually really enjoy using this pencil. I've used it over and over again, and this has not disappointed me at all. Okie dokie, I'm done with my eyebrows. Now for the eyeshadow base. If you know the base, it means you have watched my videos. The previous videos at least. Now here's the thing. These are some of the inspiration photos. I actually love these looks. But they're all half cut crease, full cut crease. I want to do a cut crease, but what if I try to recreate this look without doing a cut crease? I want to try it. Let's see if it actually works or not. Before I put on the tape to start working with the eyeshadows, let me show you the palette I'm using for today. This is a palette by Makeup Revolution, and it has so many shades of brown. Every kind of brown it has. Light brown, dark brown. Every shade, literally every shade that I want to use. There are two brown shades I really want to use. I want to actually top it with glitter. I am going to do the eyeshadows first, and then I'll see if it actually needs the glitter or not. So let me just put on the tape and I'll be right back. The colors that I'm choosing from this palette, this is a perfect shade for the outer corner. This will look amazing as a crease color. This I can work as a transition shade. And this I really want to use. These are the shades of brown that I'm using today. I don't want to work with black today. I want this look to be all brown. This is the brush that I'm using for the look today. What if I use the darkest shade as a crease color and then transition the shade with this? Will that look good? Taking this shade first. Not this one. I'm taking this shade right here. I am placing it in my crease area. Why is it giving grey look? I want it to be brown. It looks grey. Should I opt for a different color? Do I have another brown? I have this palette and I think this is brown. Let's take this brown. This is brown, my friends. Oh, this much is enough. So one minor inconvenience later, it is looking brown now. I want to add this as a transition shade. Taking the same brush, I've cleaned the brush. Yep, it's clean. I'm taking this shade right here. Just adding this on the top to remove all the harsh lines. So far, so good. Still blending it a bit because I think can be done a bit better by a bit of more blending. This color that I showed you, the lightest one, I want to pack it all over my lid and I want to use a flat brush. I'm not sure if it'll work, but I don't want to do a cut crease. I don't want to apply concealer on my eyelids. I want to keep it as simple as I can. This one right here. Starting from the inner corner. Okay. When I close my eyes, the hood comes out. This is where the line is. I'm just going a little above that line. I'm opening my eye. This is the line, and I am adding some color here as well. Okay, time to add the metallics. I want to do the outer corner with this shade right here. So I want to apply it to the outer side first. For the inner corner, I want it to be light. If I add this instead of this can look good. It's inner corner after all. I hope it doesn't look white on me. Oh. Let's mix the two up. Black or brown? Let's do black. I'm not drawing a wing for this. I'm just tight lining my upper lash line. That's about it. I don't want to add black liner to the end. I want it to be brown. The brownest brown from this palette. Here. I'm not doing a very perfect job, I know, but I will clean it up with a concealer for sure. I'm going to show you how I'm cleaning it, but before I do that, let me just apply my color corrector and foundation, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I don't do my concealer with the foundation. I wait for the color corrector to settle a bit, and then I apply concealer. So let me show you how I'm correcting this eyeliner. I'm placing some hair. I'm going to clean this up with a flat brush. That's it. Done. What should I do with my lower lash line? I'm taking this shade right here and trusting my instinct. This looks good. Taking it in more than halfway through and stopping right here. The million-dollar question: what color should I add to this look? This is not brown, this is red. Looks brown, it's not brown, it's red. Can I use a lip liner as a pencil? Add. Oh, yeah. What should I do? Should I brighten or should I add gold? Let's brighten. Okay. This is such a pretty pencil. Before I add the mascara, let's just curl my lashes. Before I add the mascara, let me just make what? No. Oh, no. God, no. I'll be right back. Do I want to try cat eye again? No, I don't want to. I will just add this to my original line. This is fine as well. Using the GLAM mascara, it has a lengthening side and a volumizing side. First, I'm going to add volume to my eyelashes. Now the lengthening side. I'm using this highlighter. It's a bit broken, but it's a very beautiful color for the inner corner and the brow bone. And my Cupid's bow. I want to keep the blush to a minimum, so I am taking this color right here. It is a very subtle peachy color, and I love it. I want to add a very dramatic, very bold lip color, so I'm pairing this eye look up with these shades. The lip liner first. Before I add the lipstick, I forgot to add highlighter to my face. It's broken. It's okay. The lipstick for the sides. I'm applying it to the outer edge. for the inner side. So this is my final look. I love brown. Brown is my favorite, and this lip combination looks so beautiful with this eye makeup. What do you think? Do write in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. And do write what color you want me to play with next. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.